Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1 concept. The reaction sequence involves I. Tosylation of an alcohol to give a tosylate, good leaving group, followed by 2. Reduction with Lyell 4. Step 2 First reaction, TSCl, pyridine, 25 degrees Celsius 1 tetralol, 1, 2, 3, 4, tetrahydronaphthalane 1 ol, reacts with tosyl chloride in pyridine at 25 degrees Celsius. This converts the OH group into an OTS, tosylate, group with retention of configuration. Product A is 1-tosyloxy 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydronaphthalene. Step 3 Second reaction, Lyell 4, pyridine, 25 degrees Celsius. Lyell 4 is a strong hydride reducing agent. When it reacts with a tosylate, R-OTS, it performs an SN2 reaction, replacing the OTS leaving group with a hydride, H. This results in net replacement of O via OTS with H, effectively deoxygenating the alcohol. The product B is therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydronaphthalene, tetraline, which is a benzene ring fused to a fully saturated cyclohexane ring with no substituents. Step 4 Why other options fail? A. 1, 2 dihydronaphthalene would require elimination, not reduction substitution. Lyell 4 does not cause elimination here under these mild conditions when a simple tosylate is present. B. The structure shown appears to imply some substituent or unsaturation inconsistent with simple deoxygenation. D. A chloro product would not form because Lyell 4 delivers hydride, not chloride. TSCl does not give a C-Cl bond at C1. Step 5 Conclusion. The sequence TSCl pyridine, tosylation, followed by Lyell 4, SN2 reduction, converts the secondary alcohol into the corresponding CH compound. The product B is 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydronaphthalene, tetraline, which matches option C. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.